So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up different categories of tax-exempt customers. Some states require you to divide up your sales tax reports so that you can classify the different types of tax-exempt customers. And it's pretty easy to do. What you do is in company settings, you go to your sales tax settings. So again, I can scroll down to sales tax. It's actually just under taxes. And all you have to do is set up a new tax group. In this case, I'm just going to say, let's call it police departments. And then their tax percent is simply going to be 0. I'll go ahead and hit save. So at this point, if I go into my customers, and I go to add a new customer, and let's say Josh Smith. And again, I can put in all the information, but I won't bore you. All I need to do is under the taxes, I can keep this taxable box open, but I want to override the tax, and I'll just choose police department. And at that point, when you save this and you do a sale to this customer, your sales tax reports will actually reflect your different tax groups, and it will show you, it'll break down. If you noticed, I had a government one, a police department one, maybe there's just a generic tax exempt category. And that's how easy it is to separate your different tax exempt customers and report on them. You can go into your sales tax report and you'll see the breakdown. And again, that report is just under reports, under your taxes reports, and you can print your summary report. And again, that will divide up. If I do, I'll just do for the last 90 days and submit, you'll actually see the breakdown. And again, I don't have any, I have, let's see, a non-taxable, and then you'll see any other non-tax categories show up in this report. Thank you so much for watching this video.